Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is Saturday, January 6th of 2024. We are back for yet another stream. We've got one notification to replay. Grandpa's iPad has resubbed at 39 months. Holy shit. Good to see you again. Oh, we've also got Silet, who has resubbed with Prime at 3 months, who gets a fancy new badge. Thank you for the continued support, both of you, and welcome back. Good to see you all again. Yeah, we got the shark shirt today. It's true, it's true. Let me say hi to everyone who's here. Except the hype train is blocking it. Dang it, Twitch. It looks like Beldothis was first today. We've also got Clement. Welcome, welcome. Hello, hello. Grandpa's iPad, of course, with the resub. We got JJMC, who is here as well. D-Delsp is also here, but maybe not. Standard Robot. Holy shit, thank you for the 500 bits. Appreciate that. Fuck it, we right indeed. Good to see you again. Clement with the peak emote. Chris writes code. Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. And Thara, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Indeed, says Standard Robot. Koniggeist has also resubbed at 31 months. My goodness. AWC Bongo to you as well. Happy New Year, MDS Ubuntu. Hello, hello. It's good to see you. Yeah, I don't have super strict plans for today's stream. But there are kind of 3 things that I want to get done. Or is it 4? Oh, no, 4 things that I want to get done. So we'll just jump into those. I think the slowest one is going to be deadsnakes, as it's always fucking broken. It's always fucking broken. And I thought Lucas would be less busy and help me with it, but he has not had a chance to do that. But that's fine. I believe some of the nightlies are broken. Only one. Okay, that's not so bad. And it's been broken for a while. I like how I fixed it. It was good for 2 days, and then back to being fucked. Standard Out says, Anthony, you're one of the few streamers I genuinely just watch fuck around. Not like you need a plan or anything. Yeah, I feel like we get stuff done, even if I don't have a plan, most of the time. Alright, what's the problem here? That makes it smell like a merge conflict, but I feel like that's not the first bug. Could not apply distutils install layout. That's weird, because distutils is gone. It's been gone. I don't know what that patch does. libsite.py, that's a sneaky one. Okay, I don't think that's the only problem though, so we're gonna actually go further back in the history. Because I'm pretty sure there was some like JSON problem with one of these. Actually, fuck it, we'll just open them all up, find the unique errors, and then tackle them that way. Because... yeah. My god, there's a lot of them. Okay. So this is the one where that's the newest one. We're gonna move the newest one to the far right and go through them that way. Okay. This one is also the merge conflict. I swore I saw a different error at some point. This is a different error. Yes. Okay. This is the error that I remember. So this is the minimum depths thing. JSON and import lib. Okay. Oh, I got logged out of my email. Good. Log back into that because that's my to-do list. Factor key. Oh, all right, we're back in. We're in. Okay, so JSON. This looks like also the JSON error, maybe. Yep, also JSON. I'm betting that's our favorite individual. JSON issue is looking like the JSON issue. There's probably more given it's been like 2 weeks, but okay, that's also JSON. We gotta fix that, we gotta fix the conflict. Looking like. We're in, Hacker Man. We are goaling this stream. I don't think we're gonna, we might write some C++. I don't think we're gonna write some Go. Grandma's iPad says, would you use social media now if you were just getting started in your career? Would you do anything like upload short videos to TikTok? Do you think the landscape has changed much to require that? So, oh shit, I closed chat. I didn't mean to do that. So the honest answer to that, if I wanted to grow my channel, which I have slow growth at the moment, and I'm kind of okay with that for now. Like, you know, obviously I haven't uploaded videos in a while, so these numbers are going to be way down. And numbers like this tend to go down in January anyway. I have slow growth. You know, 1,000 subs a month is not something to scoff at. I'm pretty happy with that. But if I wanted to grow my channel quickly, Backseat Advisor, thank you for the bits, appreciate it. Welcome, welcome. If I wanted to grow my channel, the ways to do so are unfortunately short form video. That is the way to get YouTube to send people to your channel right now. And I guess the other part of that is highly edited content. That is the other way to get YouTube to send people to your channel. And I have a lot of like short form ideas, but I feel like they're not necessarily genuine to the content that I like making. I also think that I could take some of the content that I've made and split it up into short form video, and some of those would do well. The problem is, I've made like 3 shorts, and for like a 60-second video, it took me like an hour of editing, and that I don't have that time. I don't have that time at all. Exonity, thank you for the resub at 36 months. Noodles got there. Whiskey there, chilling on the side. Hello, hello in the belly. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. But yes, I think like if I wanted to spend the time to like, you know, grow the channel and grow the stream. Oh fuck. No. Yeah, that's the problem with this fidget toy. Is if I spin it the wrong way, it comes apart. Hang on. The washer back. But yes, if I wanted to grow, that would be my strategy. And I would probably, you know, TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter again. Get on that growth grind, but I don't really have an interest in doing that, so yeah. New fidget toy. My mom got this for me. It's really smooth. It's really nice. So you can spin it this way, where the block in the middle spins, or if you grab the other side, you can spin the gears. Really nice. Anyway, hey, thank you for the hype train, and we got hype train emotes. We got 2 of them? Why did I get 2 of them? I got this guy, and I got this guy. Yay, hype train. But yeah, I'm not having time recently to okay, so this is the other error. So these are the 2 things to fix. 404 not found says, what was the fidget? It's, I don't actually know because there was a gift. But it's, ignore my face. Ugh. Camera that likes my face. Damn. Oh, there we go. There we go. Yeah, it's gears and metal, and it's heavy and nice, and I like it. Okay. Deadsnakes. What are these? I think this is the last time we try to fix everything. We're gonna do a little trick where we reference clone so that it goes. Oh fuck. Oh, cause that. Dang it. Oh, I fucked it up. Yeah, I can't reference clone because this was a reference clone itself. So I should have kept the other repo. All right. Well, we gotta do this slow clone. Dang it. I was gonna show a little trick. Not sure what it's called, but now I want it. I'm sure I can find it. Fidget toy with gears. Oh, I found it. I found it immediately. Here, I will post it in the chat because I think this is the same one. At least it looks very, very similar. Here you go. Ta-da. Color gold, newest style, the most unique fidget toy ever. Sure. Sure. Do the reviews talk about how it falls apart? It does come apart if you ignore the screw-in portions. Yeah. Yeah, I've also noticed that. Yes, says, I'm head to the airport. Wish me luck. People in KC still don't know that you can't just stop in the pickup drop-off line, and it's been over a year with the new airport. Oh. Yeah, people suck at airports. That seems to be the constant about airports, is that people don't know what the fuck to do with them. But what are you gonna do? Not much. Not much you can do about it, honestly. But ugh. Hey clone, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so we gotta figure out what we gotta run here. So it's failing on a conflict. That's the first thing we have to fix. So that's I think it's still this script. The other one is just the main brain. But we gotta wait for this slow clone to happen. We might also look at some libsass today. It's the oldest one that I haven't done anything for. It's been like 3 weeks. No, 2 weeks. 2 weeks. Well, usually I do that within a day, but what are you gonna do? Runbooks nightly update branch dot ubuntu. Yeah, sure, we'll do focal. I was gonna do jammy, but libsite.py. Oh my god. Oh, did the they changed something here. Debian patches. What changed in site? Oh, did they just f-string it? Implementation. Oh, did they make this better for PyPy? What is git implementation do? It is just the string Python, so why the fuck? Why did they do that? Okay, weird. But yeah, this just becomes an F string instead. That's all that we need to copy around here. Ver0, ver1. Got that up there. Okay, so I just got to put this in all those places, it looks like. That doesn't look right. Oh, we're on the patch queue, right? I think that's right, though. Yeah. Yep. All right. See what this changed. Yeah, just F strings. Okay, cool. That's the first part of this. I'm gonna push that up. And then we'll do it for Jammy as well. And then we'll do the JSON part. Yes, Casey, Kansas City. Py. Copy you to here, but indented properly. And here. Sweet. Okay, so the other problem is something to do with JSON and import lib, which usually tells me that it's our buddy. Lib, I'm just gonna guess it's import lib metadata. I'm 90% certain that's right. Sync with import lib metadata 2 weeks ago. Yeah, that lines up. And if I control F4 JSON, yep, got added as an import. Where does it get used though? At the module scope. No! Oh, that's a test. Okay, ignore that. Still a test. Wait, what the fuck? Am I wrong? Where's the JSON? Oh, load diff. Here we go. Load JSON. Let me start from here. JSON there. So it's only used in this function. So I can just inline that import. JSON, indeed. Alright. Oh, I didn't want to do that. I did this wrong. And this song is looping, I know, but it's a bop, so we're gonna listen to it. But how y'all doing? How was your holidays? How was your New Year? How were things? Mine was pretty uneventful. I did some work. I visited with family a few times. I mostly wanted to do work so that I could upgrade the Python version while everyone was not there. Yeah. Okay, so so we're gonna take the JSON. Oh, wait, we found it. This is the fucking module I was looking for. Where they sort the imports by the length of the module name. Truly insane. Look at this shit. I hate it so much. Wait, Tommy says, your Christmas gift to work, new Python version when they come back. It's true. Belda says it's been alright for me. Took the last week of the year off. Nice. Robotic Head, hello, hello, welcome back. I love it. It brings me so much joy. I hate this so much. This is terrible. Unless they have some sort of shitty tool to do it, then I guess that's fine. I also hate the equals spaced out, like in types. Rotor Game says, I tried to rhyme all my imports and extra imports if I'm lacking a rhyme word. What? What does that mean? Import lib JSON minimal. There's a way to like, oh yeah, there's a way to name the patches. Inline JSON imports in import lib metadata to remove it from minimal. I actually don't even know if that's correct because the import lib stuff all gets regenerated. This might not even work. Because I want to say there's a big C blob that this gets built into. Because I don't know why I import the metadata. I feel like that's not in the minimal. Although maybe the whole import lib package is slurped into the minimal. Wouldn't surprise me. Import lib metadata diagnose. Yeah, I don't see the C blob yet. So maybe I am misremembering. Maybe that's just the core import lib junk? Yeah. Yeah. Well, we'll fucking try it. I think this is right. This is before and after equals. Oh, yeah, like aligning the assignments. Yeah, I hate that stuff too. Yeah, I feel ya. Yeah, Twitch strips the spaces. Wraith Within, hello, hello. How you doing? I am streaming again. My... God, it was awful. I still don't know what it was. We had a bunch of hypotheses, and I've eliminated all of them but red onions and maybe a mold interaction. But I had some terrible allergic reaction where my face swelled up and then broke out into thousands of tiny pimples, and then my back also had the same thing, and it was miserable. It was absolutely miserable, and I was not going to stream during it. But uh as an allergy, I don't know. Still don't know. I actually don't know how this thing works. I want to say it just imports the thing, so if I guard it, it should be fine. Guarded inputs which don't need to be included. Yeah, so how does this work? I want to say, oh, there's a patch for this. That's the SH util one. But that was already guarded. And that's already guarded under the module scope. I don't know why this one's here. And I don't think it actually... What is that function supposed to do? It does nothing. Yeah, I don't even know if it's a food allergy. We still don't know. I thought it was that I had refilled my prescription, but that didn't line up, and I stopped taking my meds for a few days, and I've resumed, and it hasn't come back, so I don't know. Don't know at all. Alright, we're gonna do the same thing in... focal? Oops. Got this one important file. Oops. Alright, we can do a little gamble. What is the command? It's been so long. Prediction. Will the build succeed? We'll get yes and no, and you'll get a minute to do that. And I will go click the button. Oh, I hope that a commit has actually happened. Well, there might be a no there might be a no response on this one. We run all jobs. Yes. We'll let that one run. Because I don't know if I remember correctly, this thing will just skip if there have not been any commits. Although there's one 26 minutes ago, so surely that'll be fine. Although it looks like it has failed. Partially. Wild. Okay. I'm gonna assume that one's out of the way. Don't actually know. And we're on to the next one, which I don't know what's wrong because I didn't look at it at all. But my deployment of Frequency I runner failed. Easy Light, hello. Good to see you again. Welcome back. Yeah, it's been a while for me. Builder Amazon EBS is unknown by Packer. Oh, did they fucking split this out? Plugins. Packer has plugins now. Which is weird because it's supposed to be GitHub Action. I don't think I installed Packer. Somewhere in here. I just have a really hard time finding their fucking software list page. It used to be so easy to find, and then they keep rewriting all of these pages over and over, and Google doesn't really know what to do with them. Not that one. About? No. Supported software. I think it's this repo. Yeah, there we go. These are all old. That's annoying. Huh. Thank you for the resub at 14 months. Good to see you again. I trust your anthonywritescode, so I voted no. Oh no. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Alright, where's their fucking software list? Because they must have upgraded Packer and like not really thought about it. Packer 1.10. I guess we look at blame there. Two weeks ago. Oh, that didn't actually change. It just changed the version format for some reason. Okay. What about this one? 1.9.4. Let's see. Packer changelog. Annoying. Don's Nez. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Ormus. Hello, hello. How's it going? Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you as well. I've done 1 week my new job so far, and it was all going well, I think. Nice. Oh, this is fucking... Alright, this song's bop, but we're gonna go on to the next one. Alright, so... Oh, I forgot to commit this. Grade Node.js. We'll upgrade Packer locally and then figure out what I need to do to make that repo work. I think it's the same file as well. Packer on here. One dot 10 ARM64. Oh, I didn't want to do that. Oh my fucking god. Sure. Okay. We're looking for ARM64. So this guy. Because yes, my Packard supports multi-arch. Got hybrid data because I have a ARM VM on my. Did I grab the Linux one for that one? I don't know. We're gonna double check. I might have grabbed the NetBSD one on accident. This is definitely Linux AMD 64 though. Bless you. What? Oh, we got more sneezies. 3714. Yeah, okay, we got the right one. Alright, run puppet. Bad password. Aw, damn. This already failed. How? But my patch! Did it not apply my patch? Did I forget to push? Hey, what's up, DM server? Hello, hello. Where's my little patch-a-do? Huh. Maybe I need to add it to the guarded list, even though it shouldn't be imported. I think I found my Docker issue. While dominant did pass on the signal, it did not wait for the process to die, so the exit was still not graceful. Yeah, it only waits for the single child, not for all the other children. What the fuck? Let me build CPython and make sure that I'm doing the right thing. Hello. Huh. Okay, anyway, we have Packer here. I think if I just run Packer build, what is it? Packer build something. What? Oh. Packer build dash var rev equals what? Okay, so I need to run Packer init. Packer plugins currently only works with HCL2 configuration templates. Packer plugins install. Shit, why did they make this so much worse? I'm guessing it's Packer plugin Amazon. Invalid plugin source string. The source must be format hostname. HashiCorp / that, okay. Did you mean HashiCorp / Amazon? Maybe? Why did it install it in tilde in home config? I don't like this. I don't like this at all. What's in here? Just a binary? Weird. Okay, yeah, that's going now. It's fine. Didn't want it to actually do anything. Okay, so we need to run this fucking install command. Is this command idempotent? It is. Na, 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 na. Do, 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 do. Mm. Oh, I missed Sun Halu. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. And Mr. Singh, thank you for the resub at 25 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And thank you for your continued support. Woos is also here. Happy New Year to you as well. Mm-hmm. Oh, we gotta do the how do I get it to not be in there? Fucking A. Okay, there we go. Plexing. Why did that trigger JSON import and the other thing? Freaking bank blocked my resub. Oh no! Well, now you're resub, so that's good. Sully Laird's also here. Hello, hello. How you doing? Bella says, "Do you have any New Year's resolutions?" Let's see. I know this screen is 2560 by 1600. This one is 4K horizontal, and this one's 4K vertical. Same as last year. So 17 his friends put together a board of New Year's resolutions, and some of them were like, you know, lose 10 pounds. And one of them was eat mochi ice cream. That was their entire resolution. Like, damn. Really working on self-improvement there. Eating delicious things. Ugh. Walk around poking. No, I don't really do New Year's resolutions. If I want to do something, I just do it. So it says, how fast do you type? On this keyboard, I can do about 115. On other ones, I can do like 130. Still at 1080p. Oh no, Metalstorm's here as well. Hello, hello. How you doing? Okay, so what the fuck gives? Why does it think this imports JSON? I mean, it does there, right? JSON somewhere in this massive list of things. Right? Surely it's in here somewhere. GHIJ? Where are you? Yeah, JSON, JSON.decoder, JSON encoder, scanner, etc. It's disappointed that JSON is not stored by the character count of each variable, and we could do that. We could do that. Hooray! Now it's sorted by. I guess we probably want it by. I want it by alphabet and length. There you go. How was New Year's and Christmas holidays? You pretty uneventful. Mostly just stayed home. Okay, so that doesn't tell me why this error message is happening. It was very confusing. Listed modules. All of those. Yeah. So we have import lib. So why is it triggering a import of JSON? It doesn't feel like it should be. Oh, and I fucking hate debugging that script. But we can. I'm in depth. There's something this opens, if I remember correctly. What is the argument you take? DMPQX. What? It must get past an argument? Oh, there's a minmods.py. Okay, so mincheck is called with minmods.py and mindeps.txt. And there's depgraph. I missed that one. I bet this. Blah 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 blah. Get data. Eval sys.standardin.read. Mindeps.txt. Pi mindeps minmods. So evals. Oh, this is just to build a little graphy do. Okay, so it makes this minmods.py with all of this. Consumed King, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay. Okay, so now if we do I typed mini mods. What is this new colors? Is this coming in 3.13, I guess? Okay, big ol' output here. Okay, so it did go into import the metadata for some reason. Where is the import lib one? Yeah, so that's where it imports email. Email comes from import lib metadata. So what the fuck? I wish I knew better. I kind of understand how this thing works, but I don't really know how to debug it. Oh, we need to apply all the patches too. Let's probably build it. It's probably gonna be slightly broken, but now we should be able to debug apples to apples there. Oh, and we can finish this thing up while it's going. Install Packer plugins before building. I could probably switch to the HCL format, and then this would just be Packer init, which would be a little bit nicer, but we're kicking the can down the road. GC go burr again. Yeah, because these are all imported here, and that makes me think that's why. I'm kind of surprised. I would kind of be surprised if other thing import the metadata inside lib that's not in test. Yeah, those are all tests. Alternarch and Consume King, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I might have already said hi to Consume King. And if so, hello again. Oh, this has a import the metadata in it. Find distribution. So something calls find distributions in that? X Plays! Hello, hello, how you doing? Welcome back. Unclear. But let's run this now. So import lib still pulling in JSON and email. How's life treating you? It's going. Okay, so let's figure out. Garbage truck, maybe? There's just some beeping that we're finding. Guess we breakpoint here. We should be able to figure out where it's coming from. Of course, yep, definitely can tell. There's probably a verbose mode for this, right? Debug -D. -D. What does this spit out? Nothing. More D's? Oh, that's not in the right spot. Oh, the D is over here. Oh my god, that's way too much debugging. Stop it. Only one D? Okay, yeah, that's where it comes from. N7 Oslan's Hobbit Re. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hope you're doing well. I think last time I saw you were working on Babby. Do you still work on it? Occasionally, not as often as I would like to. What are those colors? Not sure I like it. Yeah, I don't know. I don't. Color's not always good. Okay, so why does import the metadata get imported? Is our question here. And why does it trigger JSON? From import lib ABC? That must be where the JSON comes from, which was not the file that I thought it was. Okay, so this is still import the metadata stuff. So the problem with how this is going to look is it's going to be backwards. Before email, CSV, these are all, yeah. I don't know why it's triggering an import of these. It must just descend into all of the sub imports somehow, but I didn't see that anywhere. Run script. You're good? Good to hear. Run script, open code, load module. Void MX, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Load package. That must be the thing that recurses downwards. That must be the thing that recurses downwards. So we just have to tell it to not. Actually, it says CSV and email and zip file are guarded as well. But they are not, so we can just revert our last change and then yeah, and add JSON to that list as well. Okay, that's simpler. I am JSON. He ranges behind. Oh yeah. Exclude JSON from import lib. I fucked up. Did I do focal? Oh, I did focal. I don't know why that didn't tab complete. Weird. Okay, that looks correct. And then focal. Just make sure. Yep. Okay, surely that will fix it now. Too Dumb says, please suggest some beginner Python repo to contribute on. I don't have specific examples, but this is my advice for getting started with open source. Oh. There we go. Get started in open source, not getting started. Okay, so I guess we forgot to resolve the prediction. Will the build succeed? We had one yes from... Oh no, I'm sorry, Buster Casey. R.I.P. your points. And don't call me Shirley. We'll do another prediction for the same thing. Will the build succeed? Although I don't know if it's going to let me restart it because I think it needs to wait for commits. You only gained 37? Oh, did you only put it in 10? Did I say hi to Void MX? If not, hello, hello, welcome to the stream. Yeah, I hope I don't have to wait for another commit here. I don't exactly remember how it works. I think if I do rerun the failed, it'll skip this. And then it'll continue onwards. I think so. I think that's how this works. Hopefully. S1Q! Hello, hello. Good to see you again. New Year's going well. I mean, not much has happened. All you know, 10 days that has occurred. Oh fuck! It's only been 6. Feels like 10. I don't know. Slow death. Hello, hello. Welcome back. Or welcome to the stream. Welcome back. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. All right, so that's the dead snakes part. Hopefully done. We'll see. Or we'll be on to the next error, and then we'll have to fix that. Let's see if my fix to the runner worked. It hasn't even pinged me yet. It's still going. Although it was failing very quickly. Oh, it's on the validate step. Okay, cool. It was like 10, but going great. Yeah. Hello, hello. Sweet. I fixed the runner. Hooray. Deploy to dev. We'll do our first deploy of the year. Actually, I want to say that CPython made a tagged release of 3.13, and so we should be doing that too. Nope, that's last month. Okay, Alpha 3 must be delayed for some reason. Not complaining. Add key argument to tuple.intex. Has this been discussed? No response given. Thing was discussed here 3 hours ago. I like how they just started with an issue and a PR rather than going through the whole discussion loop. Wild. Anyway, sometimes I poke around in here and find cool stuff. I'll scroll through some issues while we wait for a little bit for that to deploy. Please let this throw an exception. What is this issue title? Dollar stinks. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Question? Well, third-party libraries provide new zip file compression methods. Oh. That sounds cool. Same to you, says Teller Stinks. Nice, nice. Are you going? Goodbye! You're going out to get milk again. Not coming back. What? I know, it's a funny joke. You know the meme about leaving? Are you gonna get cigarettes and milk? Gross. Have fun. Don't hurt yourself. What? No. You're weirding. Oh look, it's Kegzit's issue. With no comments on it yet. RIP. Oh, chat says goodbye too. He says bye to chat. I think I already read all these. Security risks of hidden path files. Oh, these are funny. Skip hidden PTH files. This doesn't feel like a security bug. This doesn't feel like it should get backported and everything. This... This seems a little suspicious. Lord Ira, hello, hello. How you doing? Robotic Cat, you got so many kitty emotes. My goodness. Oh, are those? Do you have many cats? Those are all your emotes. They fixed their things. Let's see. Rev empty string, and also is not supported. Update readme. Rev empty string is also not supported. Oh, those three are the same cat. I see. I see. You still have several cats, right? Oh, you only have two. Many of them passed away over the years. Oh, I see. Some of them are older cats. I see. I understand. That makes sense. Oh, motherfuck. Build failed again? Let's see if it failed for the reasons I expect. Let's build numbers. Did it fail because I fucked up, or did it fail because of the build failing? That is the question. This must be running the old version of the code. So this isn't actually a build failure. Let's see, what did it check out? 8003. Weird. What are the buttons? It's a keyboard. It lets me switch scenes. It's a keyboard that I soldered together with custom buttons and custom little knobby doodads. That picture is so old it's taken on film. Oh my. KVM switch? No, it's just a keyboard. It's the BDN9 Aikibio. It sends special keys that I have hotkeys in OBS to pick up on. Okay, so this does look like it used the new script, so why the fuck didn't it work? Why did it still pick up JSON here? Oh, and I deleted my other clone. No. The wrong way around. In fact, not a cat. It does not look like a cat. I don't know what it is though. Okay, so I'm gonna figure out whether this is due to me fucking up the code change or if some other shenanigans happen here. Because I feel like it shouldn't have done this. I'm not sure why. It's a shell. Oh, Steve-O Bandito! Holy shit, 42 months. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Welcome back. And thank you for your continued support. We're building Python again. Hooray. That one is done. Okay, while that's building, we can start on the libsass one. Get submodule update in it. So a new version of libsass was released called Toronto. if you're true Canadian. Hooray! Oh, that was a slow react. Took forever. Deadsnakes says, I'm impressed you're able to type that entire git clone command by memory and not copy paste. Yeah, I got the photographic memories, so I'm decent at doing that. That's still chugging along. Get. Okay, so if I check out 366. Lungfix Xmas 2023, oh no. We'll just run the test, see what happens. JB Brown, thank you for the resub at 44 months. It's good to see you again. Welcome back. Happy New Year, and I hope you're doing well. Steven Dito says, that's where I live. I still haven't had Otto's Berliner. Oh my god, it's so good. I can't wait to go back and eat Otto's. I fucking love Otto's so much. I hope they still exist. They still exist? No? Fuck off. HTTP? I want to order now. This shit looks amazing. I don't think they delivered to me though. Oh man, they're so good. The halloumi. Oh, they didn't. No, they didn't align. These aren't aligned. These are just manual dots that they put in here. Oh, is Pigeon's SF gone? What is it? Pigeons 2 SF. What the fuck? They killed pigeons? What was the other business I used to use for Yelp? Except I need the tilde. Fuck. I don't know. Oh, it's excluded from search. Damn, what is a business in SF? Garaje. Really, that'll work. Garaje SF. Oh, is it San Francisco? Oh, there it is. Okay, so maybe it was pigeons. Pigeons, San Francisco. Yeah, okay, here we go. 3 reviews of pigeons. Where's the thing that I was looking for though? There's a little module on here. This is a little Yelpy Easter egg. There's a little module somewhere that does that little dot effect, but with CSS. I don't remember where it is. Maybe it's gone. Yeah, I think it's gone. Anyway, there's a cool way to do this with CSS that doesn't mean you have to manually align these. Okay, this should have built by now. This is building too. Hooray, the tests are running. My god, they go fast. Package resources garbage. Ah. Yeah. That is a problem. This actually just isn't safe. But I'm just not gonna fix that. Okay. That seems good. Update libsass-2366. Why are those deleted? I don't know. So we gotta figure out why JSON is still getting imported for our import lib. Yeah, it's still there. Oh. Let's use the updated copy of it. Yeah, still JSON. Import lib, still JSON. If full name in and excluded imports .get caller. So what's the caller then? Oh, it's import lib.metadata. Oh, why did these all get excluded properly? Okay, so if I set this to import lib.metadata JSON, now do we have JSON anymore? Hooray, it's gone! How do we get CSV here again? Dude, I don't know. I don't fucking know. Okay, but that does resolve our prediction. Choose outcome. Will the build succeed? Wait, we had 100% yes, so everyone's just getting their points back. Does everyone just lose their points? Or what happens there? How does that work? Oh, wait, one person one person voted no with 10 points and got 21k. Zotima, you hit the fucking jackpot there. Javanara Val, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Probably Valorant, if I had to guess. Alright, let's try this again. Yeah. I don't know why this one is different, because these are definitely imported just by importlib, but shrugs? Alright, surely it will succeed this time. Alright, one more prediction. And this song is looping. On to the next one. Alright, this build is chugging away. Everybody but macOS is done. Well, Windows beat macOS. Wild. And it's done. Alright, cool. We get to make a new release. Importers return errors with full tracebacks. It can't, due to the way that it works. Graph system, howdy. Welcome to the stream. How you doing? Oh, I should just change this to setup CFG format if I haven't done that already. Oh, I haven't migrated it from setup.py. I guess we can just do that. That way people aren't as grumbly. I guess we'll do that. You haven't touched Python in a year? I miss it. All I do at work is JavaScript and TypeScript. TypeScript's not the worst. Set up CFG format. Unfortunately, there's a whole bunch of junk in here that it's going to have trouble with. Let's try the tools and see what happens. Pip install setup py upgrade. Long description. I think if I do this. If I do this, the script is smart enough to do this. That one we're not going to be able to get it to do. Do that. Okay, so now we gotta undo the changes to setup.py. And then delete out all the stuff. Keep you. And keep you. And then we have to do version in here. I don't remember the syntax. Setup tools, version, adder. Adder. Solar Protocol, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Adder. Sass.version. I think it is. Yeah, sass.version. It's going to try and import that, but I think it gets around it due to special things. And then we can also add, I gotta figure out the order that I usually use. Right up at the top, it looks like. I was wondering why you think PyPy moving to get/GitHub is huge. Because it was such a pain in the ass to contribute to before, and now it's much easier. They had to give the commitment to like everybody. Options.package data. I don't think this actually worked at all in the first place. Like, what happened here? Yeah, there's no readme or... Oh, it editable installed it. Yeah, so that just doesn't work at all. Also, this is wrong. Hooray, now it formats itself. I think that means everything came across. Oh, we can get rid of version instead of pi. Okay, what other arguments were in setup to pi that we make sure that we get? Make sure we have equivalents in setup.cfg. We've got name, done, version, done, long description, done, X modules stayed, packages, I modules. Package data we deleted because it doesn't work that way. License. We fixed the naming there. Author, email, URL, download URL. I don't know what that is. I think we're just gonna remove that. Entry points, we got console scripts, we got distutils commands, and setup keywords. And then we got classifiers. Cool. What Python requires. Yeah, that all looks good. E13 E7 says, I was forced to work on Python written by scientists and mathematicians. Let me tell you, I'm glad to be using Rust now. Yeah, I know that feel. That's all I did at Stripe was support math and science Python, which is it's garbage. Oh, these feel like they're getting further. Just a feel. I had no idea whether these are going to succeed because I didn't really Didn't really put anything in. At least it wasn't R. Yeah, fair. Please fail, Build Senpai. How many points did you put in, Build Authors? Venel says R and MATLAB are probably my least favorite languages I've ever touched. Have you written Maple? Alvin Rod, hello, hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. I think I was the only one with no. I put in 10. Oh. Did we get a lot of yeses again? We got Buster Casey still believing. Alfred, thank you for the resub at 23 months. Nearly a round number. Yeah, we're almost to 2 years. Elle says no, I don't plan on it. Yeah, that's a good call. Thank you for your continued support, Elfin Rod. Always appreciate you stepping by. Stepping by? Stopping by. I don't know where the weird wording came from there. Okay. Going. I'm gonna fill up my water. I'll be right back. I will see you in a sec. All right, we are back. Kexit is here as well. Hello, hello. Good to see you again. Beton, thank you for the follow. Sorry, I missed it while I was away, but we are back now. All right, looks like libass passed. We can merge that one. Opted for 453 instead. So thank you. Bunny soir, bonsoir, but with a bun. I think 6 ectolings. What the fuck is that? It's never addressed my issue. Okay, we gotta figure out how to make a release for this thing again. We're dead snaking. We're doing all sorts of stuff. We're dead snaking. We're libassing. Oh, we got a green build. We got a green build. Looks like you're gonna lose your 10 points, Beldothis. Yeah. Alright, how does this shit work again? And we might be doing a little bit of image recognition stuff as well. Okay, not the readme. Where is the thing? Is there in contributing? Maintainer's guide, releasing. My god, look at this fucking checklist. Maniac, hello, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. Oh, we gotta write a fucking changelog. No. No. What is the latest one? 0.22.0. Should we just remove coward's version? No, it's fine. Released November of 2022. Okay, it's been a while. It's been a hot minute here. All right, so 23 docs changes. Okay, that's a little bit different. Version 0.23.0 released on January 6th. Is that what today is? It is. It's the 6th. I gotta find all the changes. And first parent. Alright, a lot of updog. GitHub Actions. Pi 3.8 Plus. I mark that usually? I don't know. Last time we did a release was removing Python 2. 2 years late in Python 2. I'm just gonna skip that then. Typo. What's the typo in the docs, I hope? Git show first parent, which I learned recently. Docs. Yeah, so all that we did was well, all of this, and some of this is, you know, internal small changes, but follow up the pretty sure I've just been copying and pasting this each time, and now that I read it, it looks like a typo. I think it should be follow up on the, but I don't know. I don't know. It's not my problem. 452, 452. So I gotta find a link somewhere. Oh, here we go. Stick this right here. Yeah, so there's been no meaningful changes since 2021. But that's kind of because libsass is sort of dead. But that's fine. Back to this thing. Double check the versions bump. Yes, done. Change log. Done. Alright, so then add the shoe o.23.0. Then tag that. And then push will build Linux locally. We gotta upload the docs and then make a release. Isn't follow up on like investigating? I don't know. I don't fucking know. Kind of. It's like to return back to. I don't think either of the phrases are correct, but I think one of them is slightly closer to the intent, but I don't know. I don't know. Alright. Got source distribution. Gotta editable install ourselves to upload the docs, if I remember correctly. I don't even know if this is gonna work, because setup tools is gonna be like, what are you doing? The meaning is still there, yeah. I mean, it could say wah, 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 and I think it would still convey the same meaning, as long as it says libsass-611 or whatever. So I think about this a lot, Kexit, because you have Korean name. That the French want to be Korean, but at the same time the Korean also want to be French. Because if you look at like all of the like bakeries and goodie shops that are Korean run, they're all French named. I thought about this too. Okay, it's not just me. The like you are the French queeb and they are the Korean freebs. I don't know. There's not a good way to to do that. Same thing with Japanese and French. Oh, interesting. But it says, I want to follow up on one of your Pintus videos where we had a Michigan Pokemon shirt on. What's a Michigan Pokemon? There was a Pokemon Club that was created by one of my exes, where we did Pokemon things. Yeah, hooray! So that was, I don't know, a thing that happened. Yeah. God, this takes forever. I guess I should start the other build at the same time. Build many Linux wheels. How does this work? Does it mount the sdist or does it pip install? Scripty doodad. Oh, this is old version, so that's not going to work. We'll update that to 8, and I think the M goes away. Pip wheel libsass. Okay, yeah, so I have to upload the sdist first. I paste. All right, this is finished. I have to install Sphinx to do this. Invalid command build Sphinx. Oh no. That was almost certainly removed. Is it just Sphinx build? Source or outdoor? Sphinx build command. It's for source or conf. Okay, what is? What if I just install an old version of Sphinx and not care about this? Sphinx changelog. Remove setup tools, build Sphinx. Okay, so less than 7. Will be future me's problem in a year from now. Not all arguments converted during string formatting in Xlink. Mohammed Adel, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. So I seem to remember, what's an up commit? Oh, upstream commit. I seem to remember Flygate had the same. I fucking hate RST and Sphinx and all this garbage. Box source conf. Also have Xlinks here. Oh, so we're gonna put a little fucking octothorpe here. Or %s here. So dumb. Why the Tomerzy, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. It's commit from up. I want to become a Youper. You could move to Michigan and live in the bumfuck nowhere that is the Upper Peninsula. Ignore all the warnings. Okay. All right. All right, we uploaded the docs, so now we gotta do bin build many Linux wheels. Tomer Z says, hello, love your YouTube content. I'm glad you enjoy it. Welcome to the stream. Hopefully you love my stream content too. I don't fucking know. Alright. Permission denied. Oh, right, because it's Podman. So I could just comment this out. Little hacky-do. But, I mean, I release this so infrequently that I don't care. Back, I hate the airport and the lack of fundamentally brain drivers. Yeah, that's, I mean, isn't that standard? Oh, this song is looping. Oh, I gotta build the M1 wheels too. Mini ARM64. 921681254. Oh no, you know my IP address for my router. Oh, what is your IP address? I like how it has Nintendo 3DS on here. What the fuck? You have a host name here. Is it .local? I don't know why DNS. It usually works great, but sometimes I have to manually be DNS. I don't know why. Did I type that correctly? I did! Wow, that took for goddamn forever. Can I SH the host name now? No. DNS is always a problem? Yeah, 100%. 100%. Do I have Python 3.8? Do I have it in Homebrew? I do! Hooray! 127001. Oh no! The Dev Panda says delay was the reverse DNS lookup failing 2 seconds or so? Maybe. I don't know. Does your VM have an IP independent from your host computer? It does, yeah. Because I've set up the fiddly networking so that it I forget what it's called. The bridge adapter. This gives it its own IP address. Another says, is there a train that goes directly to the city from the airport? Oh, you're talking to DLs. Not to me. Look at how much faster this builds. I forget whether I have to... I think I have to do delocate. Oh, there's nothing in this VF. Oh, I don't have my input RC. Sweet. Those are those wheels. You also have to get the ones from CI. What a pain in the ass. I'm buying a Mac to replace my Windows PC, but man, they're expensive. Yeah. Polycarp and Golololo. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. Actions. This is this one. Although we'll get the tagged one. Yeah, the tagged one. Then there should be wheels, which has downloaded to somewhere. Yeah. Wheels not lit. Yeah, that sounds like the right thing. Monkey's Scratcher. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah. Move start will into dist. And upload all of the wheels. Guy token, paste. SSD upgrade prices are just done. 1 terabyte to 2 terabyte is €400. Are you? Oh, when you're buying a Mac, yeah. Oh, they're soldered into the board too, so you can't just upgrade them yourself too. Which is a pain in the ass. There's no transit connect to the airport in KC. It's just either you get a taxi or have some service to do it that you pay a lot for. Yeah. Yep. All right. Let's make sure we got the same wheels as last time. I think we did not, because we're missing the PyPy ones. Oh no, we didn't do the PyPy ones. Yaholo! Thank you for the resub at 40 months. It is a lot. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And I appreciate your continued support. Oh yeah, I've been VIPing anyone I see with a black badge, so welcome to VIP, Jaholo. Okay. We got Linux x86-64. We got that here too. We got macOS Intel. Yes. We have macOS ARM. Yes. And then we have the 2 Windowses. And then the source dist. Yeah, that looks about the same. I never did PyPy wheels for these, did I? Oh, this is back before ABI 3. What a fucking pain in the ass that was. I had to build so many of these damn wheels. Okay, so that's that part. And then the last part is create a release. My company went from 18 people to 4. Solo backend and infra dev now, kind of sad. Oh no. That sounds not great. I saw the video where they upgraded Mac Mini from 512 gig to 2 terabyte, but I'm not good at soldering and I will not risk a 2,000 euro Mac. Yeah. Is that libass? It is. It's libass. Oh, I uploaded all the files to these? What a pain. I don't know why I bothered with that. I'm not gonna bother with that. I have to copy this though. Draft a new release. Libsass 0.23.0 paste. This is 6 and 6 and 6. Wait, why do I feel like I didn't update it in all the places on the last thing? Do I have to fix my changelog? Nope, I got it in all the places. Woo! 452. 452. And I'm not gonna bother with the binaries. I can find them on PyPI. Maintaining 2 Kubernetes clusters on my own. Oh no. Didn't even pick Kubernetes as an option, not a good fit for a small company. I agree. I agree with that sentiment. Okay, let's double check that we did everything. To the version, changelog, tag, sdist. Oh, it's no longer Azure Pipelines. GitHub Actions. I don't know where that links to. Yeah. Oh, also bin download Windows Wheels doesn't work anymore. So they're not uploaded. You can retrieve them from the builds artifacts. Yep. Okay. I gotta get the link. Why am I a VIP now? You have a black badge, so now you have a VIP. You've been here a long time. Yeah, no specific reason. And yeah, I'm VIPing anyone who's black badge. Yeah. Split, no, yes. Delete, download Windows Wheels. Not on Azure fix Sphinx X links format. Update minimum Python version for wheel building for Linux wheel building. You got VIP after W3 schooling? Yeah. Yeah. That people get it in different ways. Play releasing notes. Release. Update release tooling. Does it have auto merge? Probably doesn't have branch protection. It does not. Well, I'll just manually merge it. Setting up auto merge, a lot of work. Because I don't have a collector job yet. Oh look! 3.3 passed. Which means we can choose outcome, build succeed, yes! Hooray! JP Zara says, hey Anthony, how many years of coding do you have, just so I don't feel so behind? 22! Happy New Year! About 22 years. I've been programming for an extremely long time, so yeah, don't feel so bad. But Kubernetes is the industry standard, does not mean it's the right choice. Yeah, exactly. Deploy on a VM or let your cloud provider manage container for you and focus on the development side. Yep. Totally agree with that. Totally agree with that. JP Sarah, thank you for the sub with Prime. Appreciate that. Welcome. Frequency, I go burr. Wow, it even took a while in the queue and still went pretty fast. What am I doing? What am I waiting on? That is done. A survey. Are you playing with digital live camera? Yeah. It's this one. I know it makes a lot of noise, and I should probably pick one that makes less noise, like this one. I'm 2 years here. By the way, your videos help me a lot on my job as a data engineer. Nice. Glad those could help. Okay. So I'm gonna let that merge. Yusef, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Or the original fidget cube. Yeah. I feel like this one's still kind of loud because there's a little switch-a-do, but this one's pretty good too. Ooh, why did chat just warble? I don't know what's going on there. Okay. It's an even numbered year, so that means we're gonna get a new Ubuntu release this year. Means we get to see whether I'm finally forced to use Snap. Yeah. Just waiting on Mac OS. Cool. VM updog gear. It's true. Wraith Within says go to Debian, but deadsnakes. I can't for Debian. I would have to host it. I'm not paying money to host it. Look at that. I got so much stuff I need to clean up in here. Come join Snap forever and ever and ever. No. I left Ubuntu because of Snap. Debian is just nice. Yeah, I had to use Snap to install the Kubernetes stuff to mess around with locally. Yeah, I had to do that for Minikube. Only is in Snap for some reason. Rainbow, if you do FAQ setup, that'll get you. It is still the same in 2024. Fuck, I need an update. I need to build a new computer. My guy's been struggling a bit. Sometimes when it boots up, it makes this horrible fan noise. Because one of the fans like wobbles and gets into like a resonance with itself, and then the only way to fix it is to like either wait for a while so it works itself out, or to blow air onto it, which is not great. But the last time I built a computer was in 2018, so it's been a bit. Ramble, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. Kagsit is back. Welcome back. I wonder if the docs website actually updated and doesn't look like shit, because don't know. Oh. Huh. Well then, that's not correct. As well fix that, I guess. The robotic head says, I finally upgraded my computer last year. Now I can do stuff on it good. Nice. Gonna learn to do the dishes. Sounds good, Casey. Sounds good. Shaz Robot, hello, hello. Thank you for the resub at 41 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. I hate bumping this version. I don't want to bump this version anymore. We're just gonna remove the line. Yeah, this just makes maintenance easier. I'll just commit straight to main 2. Remove Python version in docs. It's always out of way. Oh, no, this is gifted to sub to Marsha, but Marsha's, I don't know, is Marsha even here? Oh, you already got your button. It supports the currently actively security supported Python versions? Yeah. Probably the easiest way to do it. What up? How you doing? I'm doing alright. We're mostly just getting through my email backlog. Yeah, that's still and I think that's in a good spot now. Saeed Dial, got that wrong, but thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well. All right, so one thing that I've been working on, slowly in Pokemon. What is the host name? What is the host IP of that? 192.168.1.190. Email backlog for open source? Yeah. See? And what is the IP address of that one? I got a new computer. A new old computer. I've been trying to do space-time distortions in Pokemon Legends Arceus, and they're very tedious. They take anywhere from 5 to 40 to sometimes more minutes to appear. And so I've been automating, it's 191. I've been automating the detection and navigation of them. And I'm getting close to the point where I can almost automate them. But I have some images that I need to do a little bit of processing on. So I figured we would take a look at those real quick. Didn't realize that now, but is the git commit board behind your head? It is not. It is just some randomly generated art using some software that I wrote. Anonymous gave Pokey a sub. Oh no. Pokey's been subbed for 5 months to my channel. Anonymous, how could you do this? Be back soon. Gotta grab some lunch. Sounds good. See you in a bit, D-Dells. Right, so 192.168.1.191 workspace, this, and then there should be some PNGs in here. But I don't know if these are the good ones or not. Okay, that one's not the good one. I'm still in the air, so it's not a good position here. This is a decent one, but it's going to be very difficult. This is actually pointed in exactly the right direction though, so this is less of a problem. But sometimes the dude is over here and needs to like angle on these. Basically, there's a spawn that happens right here. And so I need to detect these yellowish shapes. But I have these for a few other cases, so we have more data to look at. But I want to say this is another bad one. Unclear if this is a bad one or not. I think it's still not stopped. This was still not stopped either. But this is more of the hay image. Almost a fancy new badge. Yeah, Pokey almost has a fancy new badge. It's true. You have a bunch of Twitch bot whispers? I thought... It's weird I don't have them. Huh. I haven't gotten whispers in a while. Maybe I... fixed it. I don't know. Drugs. Yeah, I don't know. I should have deleted the old one. That one's still... This one's also still moving, which is a problem too. I think I need to wait longer. It's just a bunch of Hey Shaz robot? That's funny. But independent of where this is, I need to be able to detect these hay bales. So we're gonna try and do that. So I'm hoping that these are kind of a unique color. Oh, also this is rain, so it's gonna be grayed out. Gonna suck. Look, these colors aren't gonna be super consistent. HSL graph. There's one that I always see on, oh no, HSV, not HSL. One that I always see on Stack Overflow. This one, hooray. Okay, between 100 and oh, that's the color. Around 100 to 120. I want to say that's just blue, which is not helpful. Yeah, it's kind of this bluish greenish color. That's not great. What about if we look at this one? Do we get a more consistent like yellowish? 175? Oh, double click there. Isn't that like... That's like red. What? Maybe I take pictures of these and then just try and find their position? I don't really know how to do this well. There's also like edge detection. Look, I don't know. I'm also kind of hungry, so I might just kiss. How long is the streaming going for? 2.5 hours? That's a pretty good stream. I got everything I wanted to get done. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna get frustrated with this, so I'm just not gonna leave this for later. But the idea is to detect some Pokemon here and see whether... Oh no, Milky! I was just going to end! Ah! Hello, Milky, how are you doing? Good to see you again, Happy New Year. Why is it not letting me tabulate? There we go. Welcome to the stream, Lopsided Pixel with Bobbles. Hepta5 is also here. Hello, hello. Pseudo Dreamy, welcome, welcome. Willow says, can you try to check your position based on the 3 plants on the mounds? Maybe. The problem is there's lots of green all over the place. But yeah, these hay bales are pretty unique, but I don't know how to do a good detection of them. But yeah, I could try and use the plants instead. UJ Store, thank you for the follow. Pseudo Dreamy, thank you for the follow as well. Welcome, welcome. Now you can't end ever? Yeah, I guess we're gonna have to do a little bit of attempt at this at least, I guess. Food Force, hello, hello. Robotic Head's got some jam dancy emotes. Hegpet says Happy New Year indeed. And difficult, but the only options I see, and the first thing I would try, I see. Food Force, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Yeah. So it's a little tricky. And this is mostly to make like angling into the right spot, because sometimes the dude lands over here, sometimes he lands over here, just because I'm basically do we have an image of what I was doing before? This one? No, not at all. Maybe it was in this folder. Nope. Hey, look, a space-time distortion appears to be forming. Not that one. Damn, I don't have a screenshot of it. But on the map, we're basically we're on the other side of the map. We aim our person at the thing, and then we zoom across the map, and you know, there's a huge margin of error on whether it shows up in the right position. What is the folder I just made? But yeah, we could try for the plants though. The problem is, like, we're gonna have rotation around these, so they're not always gonna look the same. Basically, you have to build self-driving car. Maybe the lakes. Maybe those will be easier. Maybe not. Maybe not easier. Yeah, this is like the worst case scenario where it was foggy. So we just don't know. Maybe I should just work on the case where it's not foggy and just because like worst case it errors out and I just check it manually. That's my plan for this, is just check it manually if it doesn't succeed. And I think these are all fairly like a fairly tight window here. So let's try and match that. Equals cv2.imread. In range HSV, we got a 170 to 180. That's a pretty big range. The S and the V's are pretty consistent though. Let's say 45 to 55. And then 120 to 130. We'll start with that, see what that gets us. Where did my things go? Oh, I'm on the other box. That's a problem. Okay. I got confused because I SSH'd. I wrote equals equals. Okay, that's actually not bad. It's actually not terrible. What does it do on the other one, though? Nothing. Nothing at all. Mikey-thon. Mikey Tython. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Let's close this up a little bit. Black Desire TV, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. That clearly did not do what I wanted. This one's just an erosion. Yeah, here's what I want. Is it because I'm... This is literally the same thing. So why does it not work? Oh, because we're using the shitty image. That'd be why. Dana Lash says, hello Anthony, I would like to know what graphics card you currently have and which one you recommend for a budget to start streaming decently. This is my full computer, or maybe it's this one. The full computer setup. This computer has NVIDIA 1080 Ti, which was zoomy in 2018, but is a little dated now. I don't know why it's not deleting all these single pixels. Also, why does it shift it? Like, it feels like it moves everything down and to the right. Probably because I want to just erode first. Try that instead. Oh, I threw away my change immediately. Ooh. Maybe in the other order. Okay, I mean, that gets it down to good blobs. 1080 Rise Up, still doing okay-ish, yeah. Been wanting to watch people use OpenCV for a while. Awesome to see. Yeah, I'm not very good at it, but good enough to play Pokemon with it, so... and if you want more information about my Pokemon stuff, I've got YouTube videos on it. I have a 1063G that I use as a paperweight. Oh no. Ever used Cloud Vision on an app? Nope. I have not. I don't usually... I mean, this is more like hobby stuff. I'm trying to figure it out with the worst things possible rather than just having some library go burr. But this is decent for figuring out the orientation of these. I might be slightly overfitting my my thing here. I do two. We can allow smaller holes then. I'm surprised that the Morphology X closed kept around all of these little guys. But maybe I can just ignore... I can probably just ignore contours that are below a particular size. And do it that way. Because really we're just looking for largish blobs. I can also probably get better pixels here. Like I think there's some like brighter yellows we're ignoring there. Like these are probably things that we're not capturing in here. Oh god, those HSVs are completely different. Why? Why are they so different? Oh, I've already searched this before. Using Bitwise. Reds wrap around. You can invert your image and look for cyans instead. That's kind of clever, but not what I'm going to do. Okay, 0. Ethan, thank you for the resub at 49 months. It's good to see you again. It's going all right. We're doing a little bit of image recognition stuff again. 145 to say 455 and that one as well. Bitwise or still didn't detect all of these pixels in here somehow. These ones that it's not happy about? Oh yeah, those have a lot lower V value. 140? They also have lower... What the fuck? We're just gonna click all around in here and surely we'll get a good chunk of pixels that we can look from. Oh, actually, we do have 175s. We do have things in the, like, wrap around here. So I could invert and look for cyan. I think it's great for what you're doing. Pick and filter and adjust the scale of it to see if it changes right away. I mean, that's kind of what I'm doing, but I already have what I want. If you have time, you should do the Python type challenge. That is a good idea. I should do that as a stream. I don't have time today, but I do want to do those because they sound fun. Similar to the, like, what was it? The regex crosswords. Those are really fun. At work, we have an X99 platform with GTX 1080s for light machine learning tasks. It mostly gets used for pandas processing. Oh, no. Important question, how do I center a div? It's actually not that hard. I usually prefer the margin auto approach. Although I think there's a new, like, Flexbox way to do it. And I haven't learned Flexbox, so. Look me, I guess. Okay, so I think it's these ones with large V. Yeah, so if we bump this to 140. Actually, let's just use the same bounds for both of these. It might be a little bit too much, but... Oh, that looks a lot better. We get a lot more little dots over here, though. We get a bigger dot here. Oh, the saddle. That's funny. I'm not sure why the morphology close seems to make it shift down a pixel. I don't think 1 pixel is going to be a problem, though. J Phils! Hello, hello. How are you doing? Good to see you. And what is that badge you got there? TwitchCon. Oh, TwitchCon Las Vegas. Ah, yes, of course. Flexbox with 100% margin auto. Hey, what's up, Captain Chica? Hello, hello. How you doing? Flexbox is really nice once you get used to it. Still, CSS is pure terror as a backend dev. I mean, I guess I was a front-end dev, so I had some experience in it, but I feel like it's not terrible. Okay, let's try and figure out why some of these pixels in the middle are, just to make it a little bit better. These ones are really dark, so that's... Oh, they're in a completely different range. Yeah, maybe we won't handle those. This is probably good enough. We got 3 very lit up things and a bunch of little specks that we can ignore. Yeah. And we can probably just grab the 3 largest contours. Sorry about that. Some of us are lucky we've never done front end yet. Yeah. Okay, I think that's pretty decent. So now I need to figure out, I basically need to figure out this triangle and where it is on the screen. And then how I can rotate to try and go towards the center of it. New York Times has blocked me from logging because it thinks I'm a bot. Oh, no. They're like, oh. Wait, aren't you on? Are you on Debian? They're like, oh, Linux user. Must be a bot. I wish I had another example where I'm over here so that I could see what the triangle looks like better. But this is actually one of the cases where I only want to move slightly to the right. But I don't know what it would look like in the other direction. Is the problem. I guess it's really about these two and not this third one in the back. But if I'm over here, they're gonna look very close together. And if I'm over here, it's gonna be hard to know the difference between these two. Like, I can obviously know this one's in the background, but I think it's gonna look... I don't know. I think I don't have enough data. So maybe I have to collect more data before I can do this. But I think this is a good start. I do like this. Yeah, I think this is a good start. So let's see if we can eliminate down to 3 contours. $137. Well, I guess we can eliminate ones that are small. Why is this formatted so horribly? Oh, it's a tuple. Yeah, so we can probably eliminate all of the small ones. How did we get one that's 13? Where the fuck was that one? Or the one that's 20? Where do we see one that's 13 or 20? Oh, maybe this one? Or, oh, there's chunks of these ones. Like, these don't connect well. Oh. Maybe we make our kernel bigger. We don't really want, oh, there we go. Oh, and I fixed the wobble somehow. It doesn't shift downwards anymore. Maybe, I wonder if that's even odd. I wonder if that's, yeah, like, what if I make it even? If I make it even, does it shift down? Is that just like something I shouldn't do? Oh, yeah, that's totally what it is. It's even versus odd. Huh. I learned something. Let's try 6 and 6 just to confirm my little... That's so funny. So yeah, I should just never use odd for this. Or never use even for this. But I bet, yeah. Well, that's... What is even this script for? Sword shield random. Oh, this is for random encounters for warbling around. Yeah, so any of these that are even, aka most of them, are just like off by 1 pixel. Ah, it sucks. Yeah. Why don't you just control Z instead of quitting? It's not nano, but so the reason I don't do that is actually intentionally and for you guys. It's because the stream is already hard enough to follow as it is, and backgrounding and foregrounding editors just makes it even harder to follow. So I try and keep everything like a little bit more single process. That's a little bit better. Somebody's got a lot smaller, but I think that's fine. Mogatech Plays, hello, hello, how you doing? Sarcastic Dante, hello, hello. This asked if I was working, so I don't actually have to. Oh wait, what was? I don't know what that's in response to. But how you doing? I saw you right as stream ended on Thursday. I'm doing alright. I'm doing alright. Oh, following the stream. Yeah, fair enough. Fair enough. Yeah. Okay. It's a little annoying that we have these small ones. Oh, I wonder if I now do the erosion. What are the items of this? Yeah. I wonder if I do the erosion now. Index letter O. Maybe not. Maybe not with that. Hmm. Oh, that's because I used the wrong thing. Hmm. That's pretty good. But it's strange to me that I have to use erosion at all. Because Morphology X is supposed to be erosion and the other one. Shrugs. Are you trying to not get the shadow size? I don't super care about them. I don't care about very accurate. I just want to be able to find these 3 blobs. This is good enough as long as I can make sure that they're the kind of one blob. I'm mostly trying to eliminate all these small ones. And I think I've learned that if I use even numbers here, it makes it wiggle. So maybe that's... Yeah, it does shift down 1 pixel. Little grains of sand are annoying. Yeah, I mean, I can just ignore them because they're small, but... I'm also slightly overfitting for what I'm doing here. But it's fine. I can just ignore small contours, probably. Okay. Got how to filter these down. Probably can say something like this, 30, 40, or 50. And I think that's all I can really do for now without having more data. because I need to have more of these images to know what I'm actually training against. And the other image I have, I'm just gonna not try and solve for now. So that's probably gonna wrap us up for today. Yeah, we will maybe do typing challenges on Monday. Oh, actually no, Monday I'm having friends over to watch the footballs. So maybe we'll do a different weekday stream. But anyway, that's your episode for today. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode, so go check that out and subscribe there. I also upload my streams to the second channel, American Football, indeed, yeah, not football. And go join the Discord. Hang out with us there. That's where I announce streams. Yeah. And thank you for the link, Sarcastic Dante. Appreciate that. But yeah, thank you all for stopping by. Let's go find someone to raid.